Okay, so I got my Ionic project and I'm using React and TypeScript, and so I'm also using the Ionic React router here, and similar to the React router. And so this is kind of what they give you when you start a Ionic project using like the sample side menu app. And so what we have here is we have a route, and it's just saying that when we go to this path, it's going to go to this component, page component. So that's all good. And but what if you want to, on your page component, click a button for instance, and go to a different route? So with React Router, you would use the history object, and it's the same way here. So the history object is passed in to your props from the React Router, and so you're going to do something like this. And if you do that, you're going to get this build error here with TypeScript saying the history is not on the type of the props that are being passed in. And so to fix that, you're going to want to import route component props from React Router DOM. And then once you do that, you can give the props a type here. Okay, and so when you do that, it's all gonna compile, and you can use your history object like however you would use it normally. History.push, some path, or maybe history.replace some path, and that's gonna work fine. But what if you want to have some other props, some other different prop types along with history? So that's easy too. You just have to make an interface, my custom props, or whatever you want to call it, and then this extends the route component props. Okay, and then in here you can put your other props like data, this, whatever, a string. Okay. And so now that will also work just fine for you, and you can get your data, your other props in here too, and you won't have any problems. So that's it. I just made this video because it wasn't completely obvious when I was looking at the docs how to do this, and I spent a little time figuring it out. So hopefully it helps, and that's it.